Hello crafty familia, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to talk about 10 things to know about Cricut Design Space. Thank you so much for considering subscribing to my channel and giving a thumbs up to this video. Also, if you would like to receive notification of every time I upload a new video, go ahead and turn on the notifications bell. Whether you have bought your first Cricut Maker or an Explorer machine from the Explorer family, these 10 things will give you a head start on what to expect of Cricut Design Space. Number 1. Signing up for a new account in Design Space is completely free. You can also have access to the plans they have annually or monthly for Cricut Access. I'll leave the links down below for you to look at them. Number 2. Cricut Design Space Canvas, or what I like to call it, my digital mat for designing. Depending on what you're working on, this feature helps you to choose from a wide range of templates for you to work or design on. Remember that these templates are just for reference and they will not cut on your mats, neither they will be safe once you finish your project. There's a feature in Design Space that depending on the template you're using, in this case I'm using a 3/4 sleeve shirt, you can change the size and also use the color for reference as well. Number 3, free images. Yes, you heard right, free. My favorite cartridge to work digitally in Design Space is called Cricut Font and Basic Shapes. It was the very first cartridge that I used on Design Space. You can use all of these shapes and images and they have no expiration date. Another option is to check the monthly free images. You can always select it on the right side on the top of the screen where it says filter, and you just have to be aware that these images sometimes they have a limited time only. Number 4, uploading your own images. If you have bought other SVG cut files, JPEG or PNG files for images, you can always upload it as your own personal library and you will have them available to use on your design. Number 5, slice and weld features. I call these my digital punchers, and the reason being is because you can create so much out of circles, squares, hearts, all of these basic free shapes that you can use. It will give you limitless creativity. Once you master these 2 features, you can do anything from this basic little face that is so familiar to you to more complex designs that will come with practice and time. And this will be part as well of number 8, minimalistic crafting. You'll see why. For now, let's go back to number 6, fonts. Whether you purchase a font cartridge or you have them available online on Design Space, or you can always access the fonts you have available in your computer. Whether you have a Mac or anything with Windows, it should work. You can always search for the ones that are available if you have bought or they came with your machine, with the purchase of your machine, or you can click on system and that way you can access the one available from your computer. Number 7, ever-evolving technology. As you can notice, I've been for a while with this brand and I genuinely love it, and with all of the updates we have had along these years, I believe that it only gets better. I understand frustration when it comes to a new software, new updates, but it's to get the best out of this amazing software and machines. Number 8, minimalistic crafting. I mean, who wants to be minimalistic when it comes to crafting? But in reality, some of us I include myself, we don't have the space for all those amazing tools out there. So the Cricut does help me to keep it all tidy and organized. Why? Well, to begin with, besides cutting, you can also write with this machine and score. You can use the Cricut Maker and any machine from the Explore family to write, cut, and also score. So, scoreboard who? You can totally use your machines for that task as well. Probably you cannot see the lines on this image, but it's pretty easy to follow through with them and fall by them. Number 9. The use of the Cricut app on your mobile device or tablet. In this case, I own Apple products. The good thing about this is that it has an amazing feature called Snap Mat that I'm going to show you as the video continues. You could always have access to the fonts available in your cell phone or tablet. The only thing is not for sure that it will save with the same font for use on your computer. I haven't really used this as much as I would like to accept, so it took me forever to even get a Snap Mat picture. So here's the footage. Enjoy! Once you get the picture of the item where you want to write or cut in, you just have to align it to the writing you have already picked. You can see that I'm moving it right in the center of the circle. I'll go more in depth into this in another tutorial. Yay, you made it! Finally, last but not least, the Cricut Angel policy. Yes, you can sell your finished products like this one, but be aware, some of the designs have rights and trademarks that you cannot use for sale, just like characters. Some designs or specific designers that have created images. When I was starting my small business, I started selling little things that I created with free shapes. But not all the things you create with free shapes are for you to sell. If you would like me to go over this a little bit more, you can always let me know in the comments. If this video was helpful to you, please do share with others so they can find it helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching.